Hey guys! Welcome to another Mad Payless video. So yeah, today we have got a new addition. This is James the Jimny.
We're here to get this guy ready for all the other big cars because it's not quite ready yet.
Not quite ready, not quite tough enough. So we are today installing a ARB bull bar to make him nice and tough because he's a Jimny. Yeah, all right, sweet. Anyway, let's roll. Okay, first step is removing this plastic bumper. So there's a few little clips that we're just gonna clip off, me and Jazz, and then start chucking on the bull bar. So let's do it. All right, sweet, yeah. So all of that, taking off this whole thing here, was literally just to undo these 4 little clips so we can take off the plastic bumper. Yeah, so these guys here, we just pop off, like that, these guys. Silence on set! All right, thank you, okay. Oh, so it says here, we've got to drill some holes into my car. I'm scared. James, it's going to be okay. No! So we've just drilled 2 quite large holes in my car. I'm not okay. 13 here, and then we're just going to do these sides here at 10.5. And a 3, 2, 1, and go!
Okay, because this is green and the bull bar is black, we have to spray paint this black so it's not noticeable.
Or
so
pink.
No.
Depends what you want. Hit my ride, let's go.
Okay, so we've just painted this, so now it's time to put the brackets onto this.
All right, so we're just taking out the fog lights and the head washer to chuck into the bull bar. So, all right, here we are, bull bar, almost ready to go. We've chucked in the fog lights and the indicators, and now we gotta do something with this weird grill. Cut it? Got it! Ah! Jazz, I think we're done. Yeah?
No way.
Yeah. I think we look good. We definitely deserve a treat. Like, it's pretty much done.
Yeah.
I think it's never looked better. Cool. Sweet. Cheers.
Yep.
All right, sweet as. So we've got the headlight washers and we're just feeding this tube through here to there. Let's go. Some intermission music. Da, da, da. Yes, we're in the elevator. Ba, ba, da, ba, da. Done. It was a quick elevator.
Sorry.
Yo.
Douche, douche, douche.
Da, grill is going on the car. All right. Last part, eh?
Yeah.
Bull bar up.
Yeah.
Ready to go? Cool. Yeah, well, here we go. Bull bar on the Jimny.
Yep.
How we do, Jazz? Does it look all right? Looks pretty tough.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
James the Jimny. Oh, really tough with the bull bar. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, should we do the last test just to make sure it doesn't fall off?
Yeah.
Oh, ready? Ah! Nah, it's not going anywhere. Cool, sweet. Well, thanks guys for watching some chaos. Bull bar.
Yep.
Done. Peace out. Pony! Woo! One final touch. This thing. Slightly important. Tape's gone. It's actually the whole car is duct tape. We've duct taped the whole car, haven't we? We just really like the colour, so we just thought we bought like how many? What was it? 10,000? Yeah, 10,000 rolls of this. The whole car covered. Let's go. Take my head and drop me head first. Feel less. And I don't know how it